How to use Clipchamp Video Editor. So in your left hand side, you will see all of the tools that is offered by Clipchamp. You can import your own media from your phone or your drives here. Now, if you want a stock video, there is a lot of collection here, as you can see right here. Now to add it, you just have to tap on the plus sign icon and it will be displayed in your timeline, something like this. Now, if you want to add image on top of it, you can also do that by tapping on the stock image, or you can import by your own. So you can just go ahead and choose any stock image that you want. You can also search for any stock image that you're looking for. For an example, if I want a bell icon, I can find it by just tapping on the search box. Now tap on add to timeline to add the image. Now to resize it, drag the ends of the image so that you can resize the picture here. Now you can drag the whole picture to adjust the placement of the picture on the video. And another part is you can also add music to your video by tapping on the music option and then tap on the plus sign icon right here. Now to adjust the music, drag the line where you want to split it and just tap on it and then select the Caesar icon, which is at the top. Now once it is splitted, tap on the delete icon of the section that you want to delete off, and just like that, the music is now added to your video. So here is a lot of more feature that you can go through and try it on, such as adding a text, adding graphics, that is just shapes, lines, stickers and more. And you can go ahead and easily make an attractive video that you can post it on your social media or anything that you want. Hopefully this video was helpful, and thank you so much for watching.